You think your home looks clean? Well, look again. It is filled with unseen dirt, bacteria, and dangerous microscopic dust mites for which you really need a cleaning expert. Introducing the Forbes Xpert, a multi-purpose wet and dry vacuum cleaner by Eureka Forbes. Forbes Xpert is designed for the challenges of an Indian home with a wide range of 9 accessories. Switch on the Xpert and adjust the dynamic power control from low, medium to high as per your cleaning need. Setting up the Forbes Xpert is very easy. Decide the mode of cleaning, dry or wet. For dry vacuuming, start by attaching the flexible hose pipe to the suction end and let the power cleaning begin. Forbes Xpert by Eureka Forbes.